If you've ever needed to share Jira updates with your team, create reports, or simply keep a backup of your workflow, then exporting Jira issues with comment is one of the most useful skills you can learn. And in this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it quickly, cleanly, and without missing any important details. Let's get right into it. First, open Jira and head over to the top navigation menu. Click on Your Work. This section gathers all the tasks, issues, and activity you're involved in, making it the perfect starting point for organizing what you want to export, whether you're managing multiple projects or focusing on a single sprint. This area helps narrow things down. Next, go to the Filters menu. Filters are incredibly powerful because they let you target exactly the issues you need, including the ones that contain comments. You can use existing filters or create a new one by customizing your search with keywords, statuses, assignees, or even date ranges. Setting the right filter ensures that your export contains only the issues you actually care about. Once your filter is ready, select View All Issues to open the full list. On the top right corner, you'll find the Export button. Click it, and from the drop-down options, choose Export. CSV is the most versatile format because it works with Excel, Google Sheets, and pretty much any reporting tool you might use. Jira will now process your export. Depending on the size of your data, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute. As soon as it's ready, your file will download automatically. Make sure to save it somewhere easy to access, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder, so you can open it right away. Now open the CSV file using your preferred spreadsheet program. Inside, you should see all your selected issues, along with their comments and other related fields. If something looks off or you're missing information, simply go back to Jira and double check your filter settings. Issues that weren't included usually weren't part of the active filter. Mastering this quick export process saves tons of time, whether you're preparing a report, collaborating with teammates, or reviewing project history. With the right filters and a clean export, you'll always have accurate data at your fingertips, and your workflow becomes smoother and far more efficient. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.